Hi and welcome to the latest CompSkill how-to video. Today I want to look at Excel worksheets and working in workbooks that have got many sheets. It's a real problem sometimes when you have more sheet tabs than fill up your visible area down the bottom here. So what you can do is right click on this right arrow here, and what that does is bring up all the sheets in the workbook. So I can simply go to sheet 14 that's not visible along here by activating it from that list, and it goes okay. So to get back home, instead of having to click on all the sheets, if you hit your control key and then the left arrow, it goes through really quickly back to the beginning, and you can click, I beg your pardon, on the sheets that you want. So that's the CompSkill how-to video for today. Please subscribe to our channel so you get all the latest updates. Thank you.